Hello guys, my name is Kevin and you're watching Property Vloggers. So today at Property Vloggers, you're not going to see any ordinary project. We are going to explore a resort home which is located at Dekhale Virar. So come on guys, let me take you to the project site. So guys, we are at the garden area of the project. The project's name is Majestic Meadows and it is located at Dekhale Virar. And as you can see, the location is very peaceful and green. Guys, we are at the swimming pool area of the project and as you can see, it is looking very lovely and peaceful. You just have to do one thing. You just have to book an apartment in this project and you can enjoy this pool for a lifetime. This is the lucky draw competition organized by the builder Majestic Meadows. You can spin a wheel and enroll yourself to win any of these prizes. We are at the sample flat of the project. So come on guys, let me show you. So you will get a full furnished apartment with a bed, with a wardrobe and with a TV unit. And there is one more surprise here guys. You will get a big gallery to chill. You can sit outside and chill. This is the huge balcony of the flat. And as you can see, you can sit and chill here and enjoy the beauty of the nature. Let me take you to the modular kitchen of the flat. So come on guys, as we go to the modular kitchen, you have a 3-seater dining table which is provided by the builder. And behind me is a modular kitchen which is very well built. And as you can see, the functioning is very smooth. And also the plumbing fittings are branded. So let me take you to the washroom area of the flat. So there is a very decent wash basin provided by the builder. And also the washroom behind me is very spacious. And all the plumbing fittings are branded. I hope you guys have liked the flat. The sample flat is 450 square feet carpet and the builder is Sai Raj Nirmal and the project's name is Majestic Meadows. It is located at Dekhale Virar and as you have seen in the video, the flat is fully furnished. You get each and every furniture along with the flat. So don't go guys, don't go yet guys. Let me take you to another sample flat of the same project. So let me take you to another sample flat of the same project. This is a 325 square feet flat. There is a built-in wardrobe provided by the builder. So let's go guys. So as you can see behind me, the flat is fully furnished. There is a foldable dining table which is provided by the builder. And also you can fold it once it is done. And also there is a modular kitchen behind me which is very well built. As you guys have seen, this is a fully furnished flat. There is a double bed along with a TV unit and a dressing table. The flat is also furnished with AC and a TV. So come on guys, let me take you to the gallery of the flat. As you can see, the gallery is very huge in size. And there is a fort and also Andri Lake, which is a tourist destination, tourist attraction area. Hello guys, we are with the builder Mr. Baharesh Dave, the builder of Majestic Meadows. Hello sir. Sir, can you share some details of this project?
Yes, sure. Basically, Majestic Meadows is an affordable kind of second home, which is for the audience of Mumbai, particularly on the western side of Mumbai. And you can say this is a resort home which is very close to your first home because it is away from the city yet very close to the city. And this is affordable kind of second home which particularly everybody can plan to buy. It is coming in the affordable segment, so there is generally a taboo with the second home that either with the super savings or super rich only can buy a second home, but we are planning that these homes can be bought by everybody and we have planned this on a theme of a resort. That is why we have taglined it as your own resort home.
Thank you for the information sir. So sir, what are the external amenities and the features of the project?
A gym facility into the clubhouse, indoor games, mini library attached with a swimming pool. Then we have a poolside cafe which is almost under construction, so will be active within 2-3 months. Then we have an entire hotel apartment in the vicinity, which will serve as an restaurant, bar, and there will be rooms for hire. So you can plan to bring your guests, your friends, your relatives along with when you buy the property for the holiday with you.
So can you share us some details about the internal amenities of the project?
The furnished option have amenities like we provide inverter to every flat, RO based water purifier. Then we are giving a 32 inches LED TV, AC, fridge. Then there is a sitting table and chair set into the balcony, which is a very beautifully placed balcony, large balcony and very scenic, very airy. So this all are the part of total amenities which one buys with a furniture package.
Thank you for the information on internal amenities, sir. So, sir, how is the travel? How is the travel from the nearby station, and how is the location?
About the location, I can say we are very conveniently placed. We are hardly 400 meters inside the highway, and on the highway there is a very famous Jain temple already there. And once we leave the highway, it hardly takes a half minute or a minute to reach our site, which is again very safe, surrounded by the fully fenced compound. There is a small native village nearby, which is again a very safe place to live. And that is why I say it is a very ideally placed weekend home, because anybody can plan to come. Even somebody plans on the Friday night, suppose from Bombay, I want to leave for my second home or a weekend stay. They can easily leave their home from Bombay. You can say by Andheri, Borivali, from somewhere. People can plan their travel just 1.5 hours. They can reach the site. So it is absolutely safe to reach there. For amenities in external, as I have already described, we are coming up with a clubhouse. There is a landscape garden. Total project is surrounded by compound walls. There will be a CCTV surveillance. Proper security measures will be taken for the safety and concerns of the our buyers members. And attraction nearby can be, there is a very good fort which is called Takmuk Fort. There is just 2 kilometers away from our location is a beautiful lake which is called Wandri Lake. There is a dam on that lake, Wandri Dam, which is again a very famous bikers point. Hardly 25-30 kilometers away is at Telwa Beach, which is a beautiful sea beach. 1.5 kilometer away is a natural hot water spring which is called Vari Sativali Kund. They are again a very good attraction for the people staying there or the tourists. So overall, this is a very utilized, where we can actually utilize your weekend home. You can genuinely travel to your weekend home almost very regularly. So it's a convenient kind of place to stay for a weekend.
So, sir, let's talk about the main thing. So, what is the price of a studio apartment at your project?
Kevin, as I already said, this is very affordable kind of weekend home, a second home project, and I think the basic price start at 15.5 lakh rupees for a non-furnished version. And somebody wants to go for a fully furnished variant, then it comes around 19.5 lakh rupees plus the other charges which anybody can come and see at Porsche. It's a particularly a very cheaper, or you can say very affordable kind of weekend home, yet at the same time it is very premium and luxurious also. So that is why we say that this is an affordable segment of weekend homes or second homes, you can say, which practically anybody can plan to buy, especially people like who are working in the corporate offices, everybody, those who have weekend holidays. So they can actually buy this property as an investment. We have some attractive plans which can give them a future rental income, assured rental income also. So this is a total package for an affordable segment.
Thank you for your time, sir. It was very lovely talking to you. Thank you.
Same here, same here. It's a pleasure.
I hope you guys have liked this video. This is a 4-story project with 6 studio apartments on each floor. There is also a branded lift provided by the builder. And as you have seen, there is a swimming pool, there is a cafe area provided by the builder in the same project. And there are many tourist attraction spots nearby, which is like Wandri Lake, and there's a fort which is very close by. And this location is very peaceful and scenic. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please promote this. Thank you. Peace.